Statement 27. Sometimes that person is not your person. Love is a powerful feeling. It is a source of comfort and support that we all need. When we find that one, we can't see ourselves with anyone else. When we're deep in love, we can't always see the troubles in a relationship because we want it to be perfect. Even if we don't think our partner is perfect, we say, they're perfect for me. Because they accept your flaws. Because you have fun together. Because you've made it through hard times together. These are conditions on a checklist that society has deemed a good relationship. However, we can focus so intensely on these factors that we ignore more important ones. Am I growing with this person? Is this person enabling my unhealthy behaviors? Are there more rough times than smooth ones? When you enter an intimate relationship, it doesn't have to be a forever commitment. You don't have to make it work if it's not working. It's extremely difficult to have this conversation. But at the end of the day, you have to ask yourself if you're living a life that you're happy with this person. Or are you forcing yourself to live a less than ideal life because you're with this person? Sometimes it's because that person isn't meant for you.